That's after this school, but they can have some go up with her. Remnant of this snow, you see that? This is old snow. This is avalanche material. This is coming from this area.
The massive scar on the side of the mountain reveals that tons of rocks and snow had plunged into the lake.
Some boulder लेके आया एकदम से जैसे फॉल हुआ है पानी का पूरा जो है वेव बनी थी
That sudden surge burst open the lake, hurtling millions of tons of water, rocks and ice towards Kedarnath.
तो जो बिल्डिंग है उनसे पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई थी. The maximum damage was due to this one.
The town of Rambara had no solid foundations. The valley had received 6 months' worth of rain in a single day. A massive amount of water collected behind Kedarnath, flooding the town. But once the blockage was breached, the water came down with an almighty force. Rambara had no chance.
A swollen river laden with huge boulders smashes into Rambara, and Rambara is basically finished that evening.
Homes, hostels and restaurants are wiped off the face of the earth as if they never existed.